before you start hitting with a partner, I want you to know the ready position. So you're basically like this. So you have the racket in front of you, you're holding the racket with your dominant hand, your other hand is at the neck of the racket right here. Your weight is basically on your toes mostly. It's not evened out between your toes and your heels. It's basically almost all on your toes. So you're kind of going forward, and you can kind of switch from one toe to the other so you're ready to go from forehand to backhand. And your knees are slightly bent, and you're basically waiting for the ball. So if it's a forehand, you're going to be ready, right, to go to your dominant side. If it's your backhand, you're ready to go the other side. So ready position is very important. So usually when you see pros or just tennis players, you see them like this. You're getting ready, like that. Now another important basic to have in mind before you can start hitting forehands is your grip. So what grip do you use for your forehand? So it's called the Eastern forehand grip. We usually call it the Eastern grip, or you can also call it the shake hands grip. So how do you do this? Let me show you 3 ways. First of all, easiest way, to put the racket on the ground, pick it up. Automatically you're going to be holding it in the Eastern grip. Second thing, shake hands with your racket. Shaking hands. Automatically, Eastern grip. Now the official term, why is it called Eastern grip? Well look, notice how the racket is like an octagon, so like a stop sign kind of thing. And continental grip, which is used for the serve and other hits, is right in the middle, right? Then the Eastern grip is right here, right? So you're putting between your thumb and your pointer finger, this part, you're putting that on the Eastern side. So let me show you, like this. That's why it's called the Eastern grip, but it's easier to think of it as shake hands grip